Hello everyone, it's Danielle and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So today's video is part of a hop with a favorite stamp theme and either an ink swiping or color blocking technique. Hosted by the Handmade Happiness Facebook group, the card making hop consists of fun monthly themes and techniques. We're supporting one another with these hops, and it's a lot of fun to not only showcase your talent, but discover and see other talent and get more inspiration. For today's hop in July, the theme is to use a favorite stamp and use an ink swiping or color blocking technique. My card is a birthday card. It seems as if I'm making a lot of birthday cards lately, and I'm choosing to use the color blocking technique. My card is a mini slimline card where I'm using Trinity stamps and die frames. The card base measures 6 by 6 and scores at 3 inches. It works perfectly with the Trinity Mini Modern Embossed Slimline die set. That's the name of it. Mini Modern Embossed Slimline die set. I use distress ink blending with a stencil as part of my color blocking technique, as well as I created my own background using a small stamp image from the First Bloom stamp set, and I use its coordinating die as part of the card design. By the way, the stencil I use is the Slimline Stripes 2-piece set, so all Trinity products as part of this design. I also use my Copic markers to color in the flowers, which I think gives an enhanced look to the color block panel. I use foam sheets to give the flowers a dimension. I use the coordinating dies to cut out a few pieces of the foam for the flowers. So you won't see me die cut maybe you will see me die cut the flowers. But nevertheless, I use the foam sheet for dimension. And the happy dies, the happy die cut and the birthday sentiment are from the Happy Sentiment mini die and the Happy Sentiment mini stamp set. Okay, so all in all, I really like how the card turned out. I invite you to continue to watch my process as I put the card together. I share pictures, close-ups of the card towards the end of the video, so keep watching. And with that said, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I'd love for you to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I hope that you enjoy my process. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!